Nature is something that most of us can connect with. We all come here to appreciate the stunning scenery. We come to see wildlife, have a picnic with loved ones, or simply enjoy a peaceful walk. Whether you're a nature photographer or an artist, there's always something new to discover. And let's not forget about the escape from the city noise and the chance to find pure silence. It's a great way to recharge and rejuvenate. Whether you're climbing a mountain or conquering a challenging hike, the outdoors has something special to offer for everyone.